So, what is a capsule wardrobe? Have you ever walked into your closet and felt like you have nothing to wear or don't know what to wear? Well, that's where the capsule wardrobe comes in. Hi guys, it's Jenny, and today we're going to talk about the capsule wardrobe, what it is, and how to build one. If you haven't clicked the subscribe and like button, go ahead and give it a tap for me, and let's get started. So by now you've probably heard that term a lot, capsule wardrobe. It basically is a collection of classic, timeless pieces that you can mix and match. The pieces are versatile, of good quality, and can be used year-round, while still looking stylish and put together. That way, when you go into your closet, you don't have to make frantic last-minute decisions on what goes together. So how do you build one? So there are four main things that you want to look for in your pieces when building your capsule wardrobe. The first thing is you want pieces that are neutral, solid colors, such as white, black, or camel. That way it is easy to mix and match. The second is you want the fit of the pieces. They should be tailored and classic fits, as opposed to anything that's oversized style. The third is you really want really want to find fabrics that will last. So quality pieces, such as pieces that are 100% cotton. And the fourth thing is you want to find pieces that are wearable year-round. So how do you actually start putting these pieces together? So I actually made a list of 9 items that you could start purchasing now to get started on building your capsule wardrobe. So the first thing is basic black dress pant. So this matches everything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's a basic staple you will always use. A second thing is a pair of dark jeans. For me, it's even a pair of black jeans. Everyone has their favorite brand of jeans. So I would find the cut and the rise that you like to wear. It's just whatever you feel great in. And if it so happens to be on sale, then that'll be a bonus too. The third is a well-made white t-shirt. Whether it's a crew neck shirt or a V-neck shirt, it can go with just about everything. And I actually prefer the J. Crew shirt. It's actually what you see me wear a lot on my reels on Instagram, and it's super comfortable. The fourth item is a collared shirt. The collared shirt for me is a go-to shirt. I've used it to layer underneath for fall and winter under my sweaters, and then on spring and summer I just wear it with a cardigan if there's air conditioning. If you're not into cotton, you could also get a silk variety, but you just want a solid color for that collared shirt. The fifth is a dress that can be worn day to night and can actually be worn year round. So the Anthropologie Somerset Mini is a really good example of this dress. You can wear it with tights, a scarf, and a cardigan or boots during the fall and winter seasons. And then you can change it up to wear for sandals for spring and summer, but you just want to pick a solid color for this dress. Number 6 is a classic cardigan, and you really want to find one that hits at the hip or your waist in a solid color, such as black or camel. And number 7 is a tailored, well-fitted jacket, and that's really the key. The jacket really needs to be fitted well on you, and it should be either classic denim or leather. And if you don't like leather, you could do vegan or faux leather. And these jackets are really versatile. They can be worn over dresses, they can be worn over your white shirt, paired with your dark jeans. So I'll list a couple of those jackets down below. And there's also number 8 would be a tailored wool coat. I've had my tailored wool coats for over 20 years now, and I still wear them. These pieces are timeless. You really want to get one in black, ivory, or camel. And number 9 is a long puffer jacket. I know if you live in a climate where this is too much, then a puffer vest would work well too. And I'll also post some options for you. I really wanted to go over this capsule wardrobe because Nordstrom's is currently having their anniversary sale. And I thought that during the anniversary sale, it was a great time for you to buy staples that are timeless but out of good quality to start building your capsule wardrobe. The capsule wardrobe is really a foundation to allow you to see more clearly what pieces you're missing from your closet. So then when you're shopping, you don't have to impulse buy because now you know exactly what you're looking for. With these 9 pieces that I listed, you can pretty much start making your wardrobe and wearing things throughout the season and year long and still looking stylish and put together. So we'll talk about how to incorporate color and trendy pieces into your capsule wardrobe also without breaking the bank. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please give it a tap along with the like button. Follow me on Instagram for sales you can add to your capsule wardrobe. And until next time, happy sale shopping.